We're going to do a brief video on Stock, Macys Stock Analysis, and we've got a daily chart here with 3 moving averages. We got a 5-day in the green, a 20-day in the red, and the blue is a 200-day moving average. I'm going to take a look real quick. We'll scroll back about a year, and we'll see that this stock was respecting the 200-day moving average very nicely. And then finally we had a blow off top here around November of 2021 at around the $37 level. We then essentially went back down and tested the 200-day moving average, bounced above it a little bit, and you can see we had distribution from approximately December 21 all the way out to April 22, at which time we broke the 200-day moving average and officially went into a bear market. We put in a bottom down here in May of 2022, challenged the 200-day moving average right here in the beginning of June, bounced off of it and went back down again. So we're still in a bear market on this stock. Put in a new low in the middle of July at about 16 bucks, and we're trying to see what goes on here in terms of the buyers and sellers fighting each other. There's essentially a rally underway that is probably going to come back up here to the $22 range and challenge what's rolling over. The 200-day moving average is rolling over, and it'll probably be challenged in early September at around the $22 mark. That's for entertainment purposes only my best opinion right at this second, but that's what I think is going on. In order to do that, we have to continue to respect this 20-day moving average. You see we got a gap here of a couple bucks, $1 or $2, but it's already been filled, and so we need to see this rally, respect the 20-day moving average, and come up here and test around 22 for Macys and see if we can close strong above the 200-day moving average, which will take the stock out of the current bear market it's still in and put it maybe either sideways or into a bull market. My guess is you'll bounce off that 200-day moving average one more time, but it's kind of early to speculate about that. But I definitely think we'll see at some point a rally here and a test of the 200-day moving average, and again probably sometime in the first 2 weeks of September. Let's scroll down here and take a look and see what RBAM Research says about this stock. We cover Macys. RBAM Research puts out 1, 5, and 20-day holding period algorithmically generated trades every weekday before 7 a.m. This is for the 23rd, which is today, and on a 1-day hold showing $18, 5-day holds 18, and 20-day holds about $18.54. So let's go up and take a look and see what Macys is trading at right now. It looks like today $20 high and an $18.94 low. So let's go back down here and see. So it looks like we might have hit some buy prices. Let me check that again. 18. Today our low was $18.94, so maybe not. No, we have not dipped into our buy prices, but we had a 1-day buy at $18.26, a 5-day buy at $18.40, and a 20-day hold at $18.54. These are all for entertainment purposes only, and they're all just for your review. You certainly shouldn't use them for anything other than entertainment. You have to use your own analysis, but let's take a look what that means. We're saying that if you bought it today at this price on a 1-day hold, you either close it out at the end of the trading day tomorrow, just before the end of the trading day, or take a profit if you got it sooner. Same thing, 5-day. You could buy in this range, assuming your own analysis said it was worth doing, and close out worst case on a 5-day hold, 5 trading day hold, or take your profit sooner. And the same thing for the 20-day. You could buy around $18.54, assuming your analysis says it's a good idea. You would never use ours for anything other than entertainment, but if you thought it was a good idea, you could buy around there, hold worst case 20 days, close it out at a loss if you didn't get a profit, or take your profit as soon as you got it. That's basically how these work. So it looks like today we haven't dipped low enough to hit any of these, but we're in striking distance, and we'll see what happens. Again, these come out every morning before 7 a.m., Monday through Friday, at rbamresearch.com. You can get them all for free at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. They come out before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. We cover 190 stocks. We cover the major forex pairs. We cover BTC for crypto, and we cover the most liquid futures contracts. Everything but the stocks are longs and shorts. The stocks right now are just longs. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. If you have a comment on how we can make these videos better, please leave one in the comment section below. Keep in mind, everything you've heard is for entertainment purposes only. It's definitely our opinion, and you have to use your own analysis. You can't rely on our entry prices for anything other than entertainment. Everything else that you've heard on here is all, of course, all my opinion only. And you definitely trade at your own risk.